Scaffolding basics, everything you need to know before you build. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most essential elements on any construction site, scaffolding. Whether you're a civil engineer, contractor, student, or just curious about how construction works, this video will give you a complete and simple overview of scaffolding, what it is, how it works, and what you need to know before stepping on one. What is scaffolding? Scaffolding is a temporary structure used to support workers and materials during construction, repair, or maintenance. It gives crews safe access to heights that would otherwise be impossible to reach. Good scaffolding is all about stability, load capacity, and safety. Without it, modern construction simply wouldn't be possible. Main components. Before we understand how scaffolding is built, let's break down the key components you'll see on almost any system. Standards, these carry the weight down to the ground. Ledgers, they connect the vertical posts and give the scaffold strength. Transoms, these support the working platforms. Base plates and jacks, they distribute loads and allow height adjustments. Bracings, diagonal members that prevent the structure from swaying. Planks or decks, the surface workers actually stand on. Guardrails and toeboards, critical for preventing falls and slipping materials. Every piece plays a role. Remove one, and the entire system becomes unsafe. Types of scaffolding. There are several types of scaffolding used around the world, but here are the most common. Frame scaffolding, popular for residential and commercial projects, easy to assemble. Tube and coupler scaffolding, very flexible and ideal for irregular buildings or complicated shapes. System scaffolding, uses prefabricated components with locks. Fast, strong, and widely used on large projects. Suspended scaffolding, hangs from the top of a structure, great for facade cleaning or high-rise maintenance. Mobile scaffolds, have wheels for easy movement, usually used indoors. Each has its own advantages depending on project size, height, and complexity. How scaffolding is erected. Erecting safe scaffolding requires trained workers and strict procedures. Typically, the process includes preparing a firm, level base, installing base plates or adjustable jacks, building vertical frames or standards, adding ledgers and transoms, securing bracing for stability, laying platforms and decks, installing guardrails, midrails, and toeboards, anchoring the scaffold to the building if needed. Every step must meet local safety codes. A stable foundation and proper bracing are the keys to preventing collapse. Safety basics. Safety is the heart of scaffolding. Here are essential rules. Never overload the platform, know the load rating. Ensure inspections are done daily or before each shift. Use proper access, ladders, built-in stairs, or stair towers. Wear harnesses when required. Keep planks secure and free of gaps. Always maintain guardrails, no exceptions. Most scaffolding accidents happen because someone tried to take a shortcut. And that's your crash course on scaffolding basics. If you'd like more videos on construction techniques, structural engineering, or site safety, hit the like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and stay safe on site.